You see what we're here for. Get buckets, Kyrie 4. Young bloods need teaching, you dig? Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these right here. But we're gonna get to the review of these bad boys. Don't trip, I got y'all, YouTube. It's kind of loud in here. A lot of copyrighted music going on, but you know, we're gonna get that out of here. If you like the video, make sure you smash the like button. Let's go ahead and check these bad boys out right about, man, let's go check these things out right now, you dig? What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another lit-ass sneaker review. We about to talk about what you see in front of me. Ain't no secret. You seen the title, you see the thumbnail. We talking about this Kyrie Uncle Drew edition for the movie that came out today, June 29th. Let me know if you guys are gonna watch it. If you guys already seen it, let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section. Of course, without further ado, man, let's talk about these shoes. You gotta smash that like button though if you like the video. Share so more people in the universe to see your boy Bossco Mitchell. And if you have not already, I don't know what you're waiting for. You gotta subscribe to the channel, man, and hit the notification bell to be updated on each and every video. I got a lot of content on this channel, from sneaker reviews to reactions to pranks to challenges to vlogs to gaming, all the jazz, man. Go ahead and check me out, your boy Bossco Mitchell. Follow me on social media. All the link and all the information is in the description box below. What can I say, man? Kyrie and Nike has came together for another great edition of some shoes, man. Let me know. They got some, I don't know, Kyrie's you can wear for hooping and for casual. And they got the Kyrie lows that just came out. They got the red carpets right here. Then you got the Uncle Drews right here. All of these are in commemoration of the Uncle Drew movie with Kyrie in it, Kyrie's movie, man. Let me know about these shoes, in your opinion, which ones you like, which one you don't like. The Kyrie 4 mids both have that engineered mesh, all one solid color for the most part. You got the white version, all white with the gum bottom, and you got the, like, it's called the red carpet, like a salmon, deep salmon red color. I don't know, let me know what you guys think it looks like, what color it is, with the velvet collar around the shoe and the gold Nike check, super fire. And then you got the latest edition, the newest addition to the Kyrie line, which is the Kyrie 4 low. Without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about that one first. We're gonna talk about these Kyrie 4s. Very, very dope shoe. Low top Kyries, man. It's pretty much similar to the Fly Traps. I believe the Fly Trap Kyries are a low cut shoe. These are mids and this is a low. Let me know what you guys think about that, man. It has that strap that goes around the bad boy to lock you and secure. The not the ankle, but where the laces go is a little bit slanted, as you can see, with the Kyrie logo here. The it's all cloth material on the upper part of the shoe. Midsoles are the same. They have the Nike zoom action going on in here too. The bottoms is like a gum bottom, and if you can see faintly, there's like 11 on the toe box. Where the zoom is like 11 right there, number 11, which is the number he wears. You got the triangle on the lace lock part right there. Kyrie and these symbols, man, it's crazy. Let me know what you guys think about that and what you guys think about this shoe here. Gum bottom, you have inscription that says just be you with the Kyrie logo on the inside of the shoe. Of course, we're gonna get up close and personal looks at all three of these shoes, maybe even on foot, to get your guys' thoughts and opinions on all of them, what you guys think about them, right? Boom, Kyrie, gray colorway. I think I've seen a black colorway, which maybe those are the Kyrie 2.5 or the PG 2.5. I'm not sure. But the colorway is cool. I've seen it online. They did more justice for me than in person. I like the Kyrie low, maybe a different colorway. These I'm not too crazy on. They got a little bit of elements of the Kyrie 2, the back part of the shoe and the strap. You know, the Kyrie 3 feel, low cut shoe. I don't know, man. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these Kyrie 4 lows. I got a video on just these shoes also, if you want to get into that, just to get you guys a little bit more feedback on those shoes. Then we're gonna go over here. We're gonna go to these ones right here, man. The cocaine whites with the gum bottom, Kyrie 4 Uncle Drew. This was actually the first one I saw out of the Uncle Drew pack. Gum bottom, as you see. Prime, the mesh, the upper is all mesh with the stitched in Nike check. I love when they stitch in the Nike checks on the Kyries. It gives it more of a quality look to it, more of a high-end shoe if you may. The midsole is pretty dope. Got the speckled coloration going on here. You got the orange slit going down the middle part of which is the Nike zoom and the traction to cross people over. Very, very dope shoe. For me, it's the least favorite out of the three because it is an all-white shoe. Hard to keep clean, hard to manage. I mean, you can keep it clean if you got your Jason Marks, your Rejuvenators, Crepitex, all those type of things are great, but you just have to do it every day. For me, I pass on it. Dope shoe, did it on feet for those. They're a great shoe, man. If you got them, you won't be losing. These in the March Madnesses go neck and neck to me, and I think the March Madnesses are super fire. Then, without further ado, man, you already know what's left. You already know what's in the middle. Last but certainly not least. I can't even talk right now, I'm so excited. My new favorite colorway of the Kyrie 4s, here to stay until they come out with something else. The Power's female is hard. You know, Kyrie 4, Uncle Drew is dope. You know I love my Kyrie 4 Mamba mentality, but I don't know, bro. I'm gonna have to say, I think there's a new champion in town. Sorry, Kyrie 4, you're still a dope shoe, but we're gonna have to slide your spot over to number 2. You dig? For this shoe right here, the Kyrie 4 Uncle Drew red carpet, whichever way you want to call it, however you want to slice it. Very, very dope shoe. The best colorway so far, hands down, in my opinion. Let me know. Everybody's entitled to their own opinion. Let me know what you guys think about that, man. I'm just gonna put that because it trumps the other two shoes. You got the coloration, that salmon fire red with that gold-plated Nike thing, man. That gold-plated Nike check. You got the gold-plated Nike logo, the Kyrie logo on the tongue. You got the velvet collar on the shoe. All red, no coloration difference in the bottom of the shoe. You know, there's always some type of different color that you might see in the middle part of the shoe. This shoe is all the same. Only different color on here is the gold. Fire shoe. All three of these are fire. Let me know what you guys think about these bad boys right here in the comment section. Please follow me on Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, all of those things, man. I've been upping my story game on Instagram, so comment on those pictures. Let me know what you guys think about those, as well as on Twitter, man. This is the Kyrie 4 Uncle Drew review. All three shoes. You got the Kyrie 4 low, you got the Kyrie 4 red carpet, and you got the Kyrie 4 just simply Uncle Drew. Let me know what you guys think, man. I need the feedback. Smash the like button. I need the likes. I need the love. Show me that you guys are appreciating what's going on. I want you guys also, if you guys have time, check out the live stream, man. I enjoy you guys coming in, talking with me, chatting it up. Shout out to each and every one of you guys. I stream pretty much daily now. The quality of that will get better as well as everything else on my channel does. So just stay tuned to that. 2K18, which will be 2K19 also. I got a little bit of the Fortnite, and I've been playing that GTA. So if you play any one of those three games on the PS4, come on and add your boy King Wizard 82. That's also in the description area below, man. Your boy Bossco's out. We about to get to the up close and personal highlights of these sneakers, maybe an on foot, and let me know your thoughts and opinions at the end, man. I'll see you later. Have a great day in the universe. Enjoy the rest of your summer. Let's go. I'm out. Peace. These Kyries is killing, man. I don't even know what to say. This is right here. I don't even know. They done shut it down with that bad boy right there.
Everybody want rhyme like hoes. So rhyme like I be rhyming in the road, climbing in the hole. Mine like a diamond to blind you at the show. I don't shine, I glow, I remind you of that dope, don't I? Did I hustle the game just the thought alone? Give me a boner, coach cater to a coma.
Street mixtapes, nigga.